Hi all! Recently we added several machine learning capabilities into the API, and now, together with already existing ones, it becomes rather a serious advantage API before other low and no code platforms and Exadel before other service companies. Now you see the real application which is created on API with set of ML features. The first is barcode scanning. So now on the screen you see the back side of American driving license. Our application allows to scan this barcode and extract user information such as first, last name, birth date, and so on. Second is document scanner, using which we can take a photo of documents. So for example, this is my driving license, and now on the screen you see photo only my documents. We can take photo not only documents but for example some checks and so on. The next method is text recognition, which allows to extract text data from the picture. So let's select picture from the gallery. On this picture it was recognized 21 blocks, and below we can see recognition text and more detailed information about blocks, about confidence, and so on. The next method is face detection. So again, I can take a photo or select some picture, this one for example. Our application detected my face and also detected the part of my face such as eyes, lips, nose. Next, our method is image labeling. So we are able to detect which objects are on the picture. So on this picture it was found sky, building, plants, road, and below we can see confidence of these objects. The next method is object detection. So here we can not only detect some object existing or not on the picture, but also detect its coordinates. So you see in rectangle objects which were detected, and below we can see description of this object with confidence. The next is a smart reply. This method provides opportunity to give some suggestions. So on the screen you see some virtual conversation when one person asks, are you on your way, and another person reply him, running late, sorry, and our engine provide 3 suggestions: no worry, emoji, and no problem. After smart reply we also can make language detection. As input we provide following text: my hovercraft is full of eels, and it was detected that the language is English with confidence 0.99. Next method is translation, which allows to translate text from one language to another. So here we translated from Russian to English. After translation, next is text to speech. We provided some text, hello world, language, and trade, and also we can customize more parameters, but for the demo we allow to provide just 3.
Hello world.
The next is speech recognition. What is my schedule for today? our application recognized what I said. And the last one is a chatbot. So let's emulate some conversation. And let's ask our bot about weather in London. What is weather in London? Our chatbot understood what we said and find weather in London and reply us. What is essential to understand that all of these methods except chatbots are run on smartphone, so our application will continue working properly without internet connection at all. To implement this functionality, we use only open source libraries and internal platform capabilities. Our method label detection and object detection supports TensorFlow Lite models. It means that we can go to TensorFlow site and take any already ready models from here, or find some modules in GitHub or special internet resources, and then use them into the application. Soon we are going to add 3 more services. So the first is pose detection, which will allow to detect poses. Second is selfie segmentation, which allows to separate background and main object on the photo. And last is entity extraction, which will help people to get such information as address, date, and so on from the text. I see big marketing potential in this functionality for Opera and for Exadel. So we can participate in any AI conference and mention that Exadel and Opera not only is able to work with AI, but AI is a part of our platform and we developed it ourselves. The second big plus, we can attract new clients. Demonstrating this functionality, we can persuade them that we first have experience in development in general, and second, we have experience in machine learning. Of course, if we would want to get real benefits from this functionality, we will have to invest more time in marketing, in describing this functionality into documentation, creating some articles and so on.